get unready with me for bed, I'm wearing waterproof mascara, so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to use this new Benefit and Scrub Daddy towel to remove my makeup. It's in my favorite color and it's super soft. I'm personally going to use it only for my face, but you can definitely use it to clean up your sink or use it for cleaning purposes. When I have a full face of makeup or any waterproof mascara on my eyes, I love using this cleansing oil. It's called the Get Unblocked Pore Clearing Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. It melts away dirt, oil, and makeup and visibly unclogs and unblocks and clears out your pores. It's infused with grapeseed, jojoba seed, and avocado oils to help nourish and condition. You can find it at your local Ulta or Sephora. I'm placing my Scrub Daddy towel underneath hot water to really open up the pores as I'm cleansing away all the makeup. Once my face is clean, I'm going to place the towel underneath hot water once again and really hold it on my skin to open up the pores as much as possible. And I wanted to do that because I wanted to try this new shrink wrap. It's an overnight AHA and PHA pore treatment. The AHA visibly tightens your pores and reveals brighter looking skin, while the PHA helps visibly retexturize your skin. This is my first time using it, but it's an overnight treatment. I can't wait to wake up to see what my skin looks like the next morning. But from first impression, it is very moisturizing and it leaves my skin feeling very plump. Hold on. Let me put my Benefit Butter Balm in the color Island Poppy. Letting my hair down for bed, and let me show you what I mean when I say my skin feels so plump. You can't tell me my skin doesn't look like a glazed donut. I really enjoyed playing around with these new products from Benefit. I'm off to bed now. Good night.